What's up, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. This video is brought to you guys by AZORES, and we're taking a look at their really awesome AX1800 smart Wi-Fi router. Now this thing comes with two individual routers which can go and form something known as beamforming and use this particular technology to basically push the Wi-Fi signal to each other, therefore increasing the range inside of your house. These routers have all the latest tech that you could possibly imagine, from MU-MIMO to Parental Controls, dual band inside of them, and of course Wi-Fi 6, which makes them really cool. They also come in at a reasonable price range. You can actually go ahead and check it out below. And of course, my favorite thing about these is that they come with a full-on application. Inside of the application, you can check your downstream along with your upstream. You can go ahead and access all of your Wi-Fi settings, set up guest Wi-Fi, even go and set up some parental controls. And something interesting that I really like about this is that you can go and mess with the LED indicator as well, which can be really annoying on a lot of other routers that just blink all night, super bright, and if you try putting it in your kid's room or something, it's just not going to work, right? So this thing solves that problem, which is really cool. Now, coverage with these, let's say you put them one in the middle of the house and one somewhere on the right or left, wherever the dead spots are, you can get up to 3,000 square feet of coverage, which basically means that everyone in the house, assuming you have a reasonable sized house, if you don't have a reasonable sized house, you can get another few of these, and if you do have a reasonably sized house, you're pretty much good in terms of nice, super fast 5G and 2G Wi-Fi to wherever you are. Setup and managing it is super cool. There's a 360 network that meshes together. Now this is what's known as a mesh network, and it makes the signal go just about everywhere, especially if you live in an area that has, really high internet speeds, like 1 gigabyte per second, like around here. You need something like this to make sure that everyone's able to access that 1 gigabyte per second. Otherwise, some people are being left out. Now, this thing is super ideal because it can support speeds up to 1200 megabytes on the 5G band, which makes streaming HD or gaming super easy. It also has increased battery life through the target wake time TWT technology. Basically makes it so it can uniformly schedule the frequency when the device transmits and receives data to make sure that the battery's actual life is very efficient and it will last a long time, which is really cool. It also supports some more technical things, for example, as auto detecting WAN and of course LAN. It also has support for IPv6, which is really cool as well. You also get IP and MAC binding, so if you want to use any of those things, you're pretty much set to go. Last but not least, a lot of you guys have kids. Parental controls are a thing, so you can set up who has access to Wi-Fi when and to what time, and you're pretty much set to go in that regard. So go ahead and check out the AZORES store below in the link. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, so leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. This is going to be me logging off.